Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a metal hairband that fits your head comfortably. A quick 10-15 second fit test tells you if it pinches. Once ready, remove elastic ties and smooth your hair with a comb so the band sits cleanly. Hold the ends of the band, place the center at the crown, then bring the front down to your hairline and slide the band back gently so it seats just behind your ears. This prevents sudden slips and sets the basic position. Once the band is in place, adjust for style and grip by creating a little volume at the crown, gently backcomb or pull tiny sections up about 0.5 to 1 inch. Make sure the band stays secure by anchoring any slippery sections with 2 or 3 bobby pins per side, inserted at a 45-degree angle toward the scalp. Then smooth the front hair. You can tuck wisps under the band for a clean look or leave face-framing pieces out for softness. These steps balance hold with appearance. To finish, lightly mist hair with hairspray or texture spray to reduce slip. Don't overdo it because heavy buildup makes the band sticky. You should check comfort. If you feel pressure at temples, re-angle the band or add a thin fabric pad behind the metal to cushion. If the band slides, make sure it sits slightly behind the ears and try a small non-slip strip or an extra bobby pin where it moves most. These fixes preserve style and prevent headaches so you can wear it all day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.